How to create conversational agents effortlessly using Playbooks within the GCP platform. Follow these engaging steps to configure agent functionalities, set goals, and save your progress seamlessly. Access the AI Real Estate Voice Assistant feature. Navigate to the designated section. Access the Google CC AI project section. Navigate to the specified location. Navigate to the specified location. Access the Conversational Agents feature. Switch to the specified website. Click on Create Playbook option. Select the task option. Enter the desired name for the playbook. Fill in main flow. Set the goal for the playbook. Enter the story of India's first AI real estate voice assistant, Asha, automated smart home advisor, your trusted voice in finding your dream home, in the provided field. Navigate to the indicated location. Navigate to the indicated location. Save the changes made. Input text using the specified format. Fill in the text box with hi. Navigate to the suggested location. Navigate to the suggested location. Input text using the specified format. Input Willer in the available field. Navigate to the suggested location. Write O in the specified field. Fill Pune Baner. Enter Duik row information. Navigate to the suggested location. Input text using the specified format. Fill in 4 BHK. Navigate to the suggested location. Save the changes made. The guide covered creating conversational agents through Playbooks on GCP. Learn to navigate various sections, input information, and efficiently save your configurations to enhance employee training processes.